My name is Karen Hogan. I am the Director of the Behavioral Health Services for a large academic medical center in the Midwest. The two types of boards that we did purchase for the medical center were the individual patient care boards that are in each patient's room. We additionally purchased an activity or daily schedule board for our day area, and so that way families or friends can also see what the schedule for the day is and understand the specific visiting hours and why the visiting hours aren't more generous, because they do have a highly structured program. The other thing that I really liked about these boards is that it helps the patient to have many questions answered that they would often run to the nurse's station and ask these questions. By having these boards in the room, they find out that there's a time listed for when the patient's doctor would come, or an approximate time, as well as any new medication would be added to this so that it would remind the patient as well as the nurse when the medications were being administered, that they would know what the new medications were. One thing that we did add to these patient care boards in the patient's room is the goal for the day. It's not just about what the caregivers provide, but it's about the patient goals. And so by going in at the beginning of the shift, the nurse can ask the patient during shift change, what is your goal for today? And that is always put forth for the patient to remind the patient and the care team.